Behind me is
Life's become so cheap, so many orphans weep, they forgot how to smile. Oh, I cannot understand just how somebody can murder an innocent child. Swear their lives won't be lost in vain, even if I get knocked down.
والله كنا ملوك في بلادنا والله، مبسوطين وعندنا الحمد لله أملاك وأراضي وميات وكذا. طلعنا من بيوتنا يعني بالقلابيات بس.
I will stand my ground and I'll never hide or run away. Love will prevail, by God it will. Love will prevail.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh, that looks nice. Let me get that spatula. Oh man, look at that. Oh, I tell you what, let's go inside and have a look what's going on inside. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that looks nice. I better go call the boys. So guys, if you look around, alhamdulillah, in Syria, there's, you know, even though it's war-torn, at the same time, if you look around here where we're driving through Syria to get to our destination, there's nice buildings, there's hotels, there's shopping centres, houses being built on one side, and then once you leave certain areas and you come into the refugee camps.
As we usually do, what we wanted to do was we wanted to be here on the ground showing you where your donation is going. So what are we doing here today? We're donating 1,600 food parcels, and as it's the month of Ramadan, what we've done this time is we've made it slightly different. We have a suhoor box and an iftar box separate, so it's easy for them and they will have plenty of food at suhoor time and at iftar time.
We've just turned up to this region in Syria, but you know what, there's not a lot of people who turn up here to give these families food aid, so we've come here today, alhamdulillah, with Danish Fereni to provide these guys with suhoor and iftar food packs.
As you can see around you, once again, we are in a very remote location, distributing in an area where others won't distribute. And this is what makes Jigsaw unique.
Ramadan, month of the Quran, sent by Ar-Rahman, mercy to mankind.
We've cooked, we've packed, and now we're delivering, inshallah.
As well as distributing the food parcels, one of the things we like to do at each distribution point where possible is to distribute hot meals. And the reason we do this is because the majority of families, if not all the families that we assist, are not in a position to be able to buy things like rice and meat, these types of platters that you can see behind us. So just what we're doing today. So many times before in our videos we've mentioned to you how special the people of Syria are. And just to give you an example, it's not just the adults, it's also the children. So this food has been sitting here for 30 minutes and we told the children that because you're not fasting, it's okay for you to eat. But the reason they're not eating is because from amongst them, there's 2 of them that are not fasting. And so for that reason, they've all decided they won't eat until the adhan has gone off and they'll eat with their 2 friends who are fasting. So that just gives you an idea of the kind of, the characteristics that are within the Syrian people and even the Syrian children.
وهلا عم نستنى المغرب بس حتى يأدي بنقول اللهم لك صمت وعلى رزقك أفطر ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. شكرا جيكسو.
شكرا جيكسو.
شكرا جيكسو.